our previous lesson, we discussed about the uses of brackets in mathematical expressions. We have seen examples of expressing the problems using mathematical brackets. Now let us see how we need to solve any given problem which has terms inside as well as outside the brackets. One way to do it is solve or simplify everything inside the brackets and then perform the operations outside the brackets. Is there any other way to solve the problems in which there are brackets? Yes, there is. We can solve the problem by expanding the brackets. I'm sure you have a question. What does expansion of brackets mean? To expand the brackets, we need to multiply the term outside the bracket with each term inside the bracket. To understand, let's consider an example. Here we can apply the expansion of brackets. The number 2 outside the brackets needs to be multiplied by both the numbers 35 and 55. The first product gives us 70 and the second one gives us 110. Let me ask you a question here. Which sign exists between the two numbers inside the brackets? It is the plus sign. Therefore, after expanding the brackets, we will place the plus sign in between. We get the answer as 180. That's how the problem can be solved by expanding the brackets. Is there any other way in which we can solve this expression? Yes, we can solve what's inside the brackets first and then multiply it with 2, like this. So these are the two ways in which we tackle this expression. Can there be any situation where expanding the brackets is a better option? Let us see the following problem. How can we find the answer for 7 times 106? If we try to multiply them, then we may find it a bit difficult. Hence, we can rewrite the problem like this. We just wrote 106 as 100 plus 6. Can we expand the brackets here? Absolutely. What will be the first step of the solution? It will be written as follows. We have multiplied 7 with each term in the bracket. What will we do next? As per the order of operations, we will find the two products first. They are 700 and 42. The final answer is 742. You will agree that it's easier to multiply the number 7 with 100 and with the number 6 than directly with the number 106. Therefore, in this case, it was better to solve the problem by expanding the brackets. Let's see one more example. Here we can write 104 as 100 plus 4. So we can write the above expression like this. Let's expand the brackets now. Would you like to try it? Here's the answer. Let's see if you can solve one problem on your own. Here's the solution. I'm sure you must have done it correctly. Here's one last example for you to try. We will see the solution in our next lesson.